and welcome to the first and introduction class of vector algebra. Very important chapter for +2 second year students. So in this chapter basically we will discuss about what is a vector, types of vector, vector addition, that is triangle law and parallelogram law, then components of a vector, direction cosines and direction ratio. So in this video we will discuss all these 6 different chapters. Now first of all, what is exactly a vector? Already we know in physics a quantity which has magnitude only is called scalar. A quantity which has both magnitude and direction is called vector. Now in vector algebra, a directed line segment is called a vector. Remember, it is very simple. It is a directed line segment. Okay. Now let us consider that this point be A and this point is B. It is a directed line segment. So it is vector AB with initial point A and terminal point B, and is represented by AB, and the magnitude of this vector is represented by modulus of AB. Magnitude of the vector is represented by modulus of AB. So very simple. Vector, especially in vector algebra, is nothing but a directed straight line with a initial point and terminal point. The magnitude of the vector is represented by modulus AB. Now let us move to the next section, that is types of vector in vector algebra. Okay, now let us discuss types of vectors one by one. Number 1 is unit vector. A vector A is called a unit vector when modulus of A equal to 1 and is denoted by A cap. Remember, this cap is very important. Further we'll discuss more about it. And then number 2, equal vectors. Two vector A and B said to be equal when their magnitude and directions are equal. Regardless of their initial point. Initial point doesn't matter. When their magnitude and directions are equal, they are said to be equal vectors. Negative of a vector having same magnitude as A and opposite in direction is called negative in vector. Magnitude is same, direction is opposite, then it is called negative of a vector and is denoted by minus of vector A. Thus AB is a vector, then BA is minus a vector. If AB is a vector, then BA. See here initial point is A and is directed towards B. Here initial point is B and directed towards A. So BA is called negative of vector A. Then zero vector or null vector. Very simple. When the magnitude of the vector is 0, then it is called zero vector. A vector which initial point and terminal point coincide is called zero vector and is denoted by 0. Example, AA is a zero vector. It has no direction. Zero vector, it has no direction. Then we'll move. Okay, next type is co-initial vector. Okay, as the name suggests, co-initial vector means two or more than two vectors with same initial point. Okay, two or more than two vectors with same initial point called co-initial vector. Now, this is the initial point. So OA, OB and OC are co-initial vector. Vector with same initial point is called co-initial vector. Then comes your collinear or parallel vectors. Collinear or parallel vectors. The vector having same or parallel support are called collinear vector. To be more clear, two or more than two vectors are said to be collinear when they are parallel to the same line. When two or more than two vectors are parallel to a third line or the same line, then they are said to be collinear vector or parallel vector. The meaning of collinear vector and parallel vector is same. Okay, collinear, it doesn't mean they are in the same line. If they are in the same line, they are also called collinear vector, and if lines are parallel to each other, then also they are called collinear vector. Then next, like vectors. Collinear vector with same direction are called like vectors. Like vectors. Then unlike vectors. Simple, collinear vector with opposite direction is called unlike vector. Then let's move to the next section, that is vector addition. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଆସିବା ଭେକ୍ଟର ଏଡିଶନ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଲେଖିଦିଅ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇବି just simply write down let vector A and vector B be any vector. Take any point O and draw segments OA and AB such that OA is A vector and AB is B vector. AB is B vector. Join OB and OB vector is called sum of resultant of vector A and vector B. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଡାୟାଗ୍ରାମ ଦେଖିବା ସପୋଜ ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ଭେକ୍ଟର A, ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ଭେକ୍ଟର B, ଆମେ ଏ ଦିଟାର ଏଡିସନ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖ ଆମେ free vectors discuss କରୁଛେ so without changing its direction and magnitude ଆମେ ଏ ଲାଇନ ଟାକୁ ଏଠି ଆଣିଦେଲେ O ଦେଲେ ଆମେ initial point A ହେଉଛି terminal point ତାପରେ ଏଇ vector ଟା without changing direction and magnitude again ଏଠିକି ଆଣିଦେଲେ आर initial point ହେଉଛି A ଆଉ terminal point ହେଉଛି B then जो रिजल्टेंट थर्ड लाइन टा आसिला जो ट्रायंगल रो जो थर्ड लाइन टा आसिला OB এটা হচ্ছে vector A plus vector B. Very simple. কিন্তু দেখো এটা যেহেতু গোটে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, এটা ইনিशिয়াল পয়েন্ট टर्मिनल पॉइंट, ए टर्मिनल पॉइंट रो आउटे लाइन गला इनिशियल पॉइंट टर्मिनल पॉइंट, ए दिटा जो ऐड हैला जो थर्ड लाइन टा आसला सेटा होची तारो सम. सो हमें लिखि परिबा वेक्टर A प्लस वेक्टर B is sum is OB. OB vector is the sum. ठीक अछि? Is it clear? तो हमें बर्तमान लिखि परिबा OA vector plus AB vector is equal to OB vector, or simply हमें लिखि परिबा नेक्स्ट में हमें triangle law and parallelogram law of vectors. There are two laws of vector addition. One is triangle law of vector addition and the other is your parallelogram law of vector addition. So let us discuss one by one and where to apply. We should know where to apply triangle law and where to apply parallelogram law of vector addition. See, first let us come to the triangle law. Triangle law प्रथमे देखिबा. Suppose two vectors A and B are represented in magnitude and direction by two adjacent sides of a triangle such that initial point of one coincides with the terminal point of the other. Then their sum C is represented by the third side. Okay. Theta vector A और vector B. Suppose हमें represent कले गोटे triangle रे represent कले. Suppose A, B, एटा initial point, एटा होची terminal point. Then second vector, suppose B and C. This is vector small a, small b. Now, एठी गोटे जिनसो मार्क करो. आर terminal point जोटा ए वेक्टर रो इनिशियल पॉइंट होची सेटा. एठी सेटा लिखा हिची such that initial point of one coincides with the terminal point of the other. So आरो वेक्टर B रो एटा होची इनिशियल पॉइंट, वेक्टर A रो होची टर्मिनल पॉइंट, एटी कोइंसाइड करी. Then आरो sum of the third side is the sum of this vector. It is third side is represented by, let it be small c, is equal to A plus vector B. और हमें एमती भी लिख पारिया AB plus BC is equal to AC. Then हमें जिबा parallelogram law of vector addition. Suppose two vectors A and B are represented by two adjacent side of a parallelogram. एटी दीटा वेक्टर को हमें दीटा ट्रायंगल रो दीटा साइड रे रिप्रेजेंट कले. सेठी हमें दीटा रिप्रेजेंट करियो एडजेसेंट साइड ऑफ ए parallelogram with same initial point. Then sum C is the diagonal of the parallelogram. Okay, देखो गोटे parallelogram रो दीटा साइड suppose एटा A, B. Okay, suppose this is D. Adjacent side theta, initial point same. This is the initial point, this is the terminal point. A vector रो एटा AD vector रो initial point एटा D होची terminal point. Okay, then let it be vector small a, vector small b. Then arrow diagonal. Okay, what dotted line is parallelogram hegala. This diagonal is nothing but, suppose it is C, small is equal to A plus B is equal to this AC. Okay, the diagonal is nothing but the diagonal is the sum of these two vectors. Okay, बर्तमान देखिए हमें कोठी ट्रायंगल लो और कोठी हमें पैरेललोग्राम लो ना कोठी हमें ट्रायंगल लो और कोठी पैरेललोग्राम देखो मेन पॉइंट होची एटा देखो टर्मिनल पॉइंट और इनिशियल पॉइंट कोइंसाइड करची और ऑर्डर टा एमते अछि सेम ऑर्डर रे अछि ताले सेठी हमें ट्रायंगल लो रे टर्मिनल पॉइंट और इनिशियल पॉइंट गोटे पॉइंट रे मिसथिबो किंतु एठी दीटा वेक्टर रो इनिशियल पॉइंट सेम थिबो सेम इनिशियल पॉइंट एपटे आर टर्मिनल पॉइंट अछि एपटे आर टर्मिनल पॉइंट अछि और दीटा पैरेललोग्राम रो साइड हिसाब रे हम कंसीडर करले ताले तारो डायगोनल हबो सम ऑफ द टू वेक्टर्स सो इति भी हमें लिखि परिबा वेक्टर AD प्लस AB is equal to AC. Clear? Parallelogram law of vectors and triangle law of vectors. बर्तमान हमें जीवा subtraction of vectors. Vector subtraction. एठू ही हमें subtraction theory को जीवा हमें देखिले triangle law of vectors देखिले सो आपको ही बेस करिकरी हमें बर्तमान देखिबा subtraction of vectors vector subtraction सो हमें ए फिगर तक हमें कंसीडर करबा सो एटा होची A B C देखो डायरेक्शन एपटे थिला और डायरेक्शन एपटे आको हमें नेथिले स्मॉल a स्मॉल b सो AC टा आस्तिला हमरो स्मॉल c आस्तिला इक्वल टू a प्लस b अच्छा बर्तमान हमें बाहर करबा a वेक्टर माइनस b वेक्टर ओके आको मु एमिति भी लिखि परिबी a वेक्टर प्लस माइनस b वेक्टर ओके नेगेटिव ऑफ ए वेक्टर मींस कोन डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन टा हमर ऑपोजिट हबो डॉटेड लाइन दे देली डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट हबो मैग्नीट्यूड सेम रहबो सो आकु मु कहि परिबी ए लाइन को कहि परिबी माइनस b सो वर्तमान देखो ए भी गोटे ट्रायंगल आसी गला सपोज लेट इट बी D सो आरो टर्मिनल पॉइंट जोटा आरो इनिशियल पॉइंट सेटा सो वर्तमान ए दीटा पॉइंट को जति जॉइन कर देबी ये आसीबो ए वेक्टर ए प्लस माइनस वेक्टर बी एटा जहां वेक्टर ए माइनस वेक्टर बी से so very simple again negative of a vector means kono negative of a vector means opposite direction and magnitude same so एदिटा same side magnitude same direction opposite हे गेला वर्तमान तमे आउटे ट्रायंगल मिल गेला ट्रायंगल लो तमे एटी अप्लाई कर परिबो काहे कि ट्रायंगल लो काहे अप्लाई करिबो आरो टर्मिनल पॉइंट और इनिशियल पॉइंट सेम अछि तो ट्रायंगल लो अप्लाई कर परिबो so AD होची रिजल्टेंट एटा होची A minus B A plus minus भी लिख परिबो और A minus B so this is the process of vector subtraction then हमें जीवा next concept then हमें आसीबा laws of vector addition okay प्रथम देखिया लॉ गुडा कोन अछि commutative law that is vector A plus vector B is equal to vector B plus vector A okay then next associative law A vector plus B plus C vector equal to A plus B vector plus C vector as it is जेमती हमरो नेचुरल नंबर अछि सेटा then existence of additive identity, that is a vector plus null vector is equal to null vector plus a vector is equal to a vector. You take any vector, if you add a null vector, the value remains the same. Existence of additive inverse, a vector plus negative of a vector is equal to negative of a vector plus a vector is equal to 0. Now if you take any vector and you add the negative of that vector, then you will get a null vector. So this is small laws of addition, very easy. Okay, this is for today. Next class we will discuss about some very important concepts, that is direction cosines, direction ratios and components of vectors. It is not only important for vector, it is also important for 3D. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.